Hi everyone, back again with another incredible product you won't want to miss. Let's jump right in. First up, the design. It's sleek, stylish, and guaranteed to catch your eye. And here's the best part. It's budget-friendly without compromising on quality. This product is super versatile. It's a perfect addition to your office, home, or as a thoughtful gift. Check the description for all the details, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on more awesome finds. Thanks for watching.